Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the pollen filter on Mercedes Vito 2016. First of all, underneath the gloves box, I need to remove the fuse box. It has the two screws. Remove the screws, remove the fuse box, and then there's the two clips. You just turn on anti-clockwise. Once you remove this one, slide out the pollen filter out. Replace the new one, slide in. There's an arrow sign, so make sure you put the right way. A very narrow space. Put back this cover and these plastic clips, just put to the clockwise. Filter is done. This fuse box, put it back and put two screw back on. That's it, job done. I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.